Hi, my name is Dr. Tom Tatchell. I'm the Education and Students Manager for the School of Chemistry at Cardiff University. I've been with Cardiff University as a student and a staff member since 1998. My original background was in inorganic chemistry, and then since joining the staff of the school, I've become the admissions tutor, and as I said, I'm presently the Education and Students Manager for the school. That means my job is to help the school recruit students. I support students then as they go through their degree, and then aid with the graduation and their opportunities after graduation with the degrees that they've achieved once they've come to study at Cardiff with us. If I was to give you 3 top reasons for why you should come to Cardiff to study, they would be that the course that you would study would be delivered by very passionate academics. These are leaders in their respective fields, and they're very enthusiastic and they want to impart their knowledge, and you can be there right alongside them, learning from them on specific topics that are actually quite, at the moment, real world problems. So you would be solving problems that would benefit the world at present. So obviously green chemistry is a huge aspect at the moment. So and drug development as well. So you could be there working on these areas then as part of your master's course. And supplementing both of those areas then, basically, the university is very, very strong in its pastoral support. So the academics that will be teaching the course, a few of them will also serve as personal tutor to you all. And then you'll have the opportunity to engage with them to get support wherever you need it to do with the course, or outside as being a student and a resident as Cardiff of the city as a whole. Once you've achieved your postgraduate degree, so once you've got your master's, you can use this then as an opportunity to use it as a stepping stone to move on to do a PhD study. So a lot of our master's students use this then and undertake the 3-year research degree then after achieving their master's course. And it's a great opportunity for you, if you don't see yourself going into doing a PhD afterwards, as using it as an opportunity to focus in on a very specific topic that'll make you very employable then once you've graduated. Okay, so a lot of industries that we see our graduates go on to include pharmaceuticals, industry, so oil and gas, or catalysis development for catalytic converters, or new methods in green chemistry. We see that students use it as an opportunity just to go into research and development. So they'll be using the skills that they've learned then to optimize certain reactions that specific industries will be looking into, or scaling up chemical development or production. But as I said, a lot of students will use this then to undertake their PhD. So a lot of them will use the project that they do at the final stage of the master's then as a bridge into a PhD then longer term, so they can really explore those topics in a bit more depth. When students study the master's courses here at Cardiff, these are all delivered between Monday and Friday, between 9 and 5. So there's plenty of opportunity for students to find part-time work to supplement their income whilst at Cardiff, and also achieving that work-life balance, which is very key for university life. If you look on the university's website, there is a whole range of pages devoted to various postgraduate funding opportunities that are available. Because this is an ever-changing landscape, it's always best to consult those pages first to see what finances that you could tap into or apply for. A common question would be, what's the difference between postgraduate study and undergraduate study? Now, the onus on a postgraduate student is for self-sufficiency. So there's a lot of time then spent researching these different topics, study in the library, self-study, using the different resources that have been provided. So there's a lot more opportunity for students then to delve into those topics for themselves. That's not just to say that they're left unsupported. So lecturers do give them a lot of guidance in the first instance, but because they're the master's level students, the onus is on them to then undertake that study themselves. All of our courses are delivered from main building, which is based on Catay's campus in Cardiff. So it's around Catay's Park, which is a very picturesque park, and very close to the city centre then for students that need to go into town for any reason. We have a few industry contacts that feed into our various courses, so there'll be an opportunity to engage with guest speakers and some potential opportunities to undertake projects in industry then as well. We have a wide variety of overseas partners as well. So our students can engage with the Erasmus scheme to work in Europe. And then so when they come to do their final research project, they can go out to Europe and study in another university for up to 11 weeks then for that final project. The way the course is structured is based over 3 semesters of autumn, spring and summer. And in each semester, students will study for 60 credits. For autumn and spring semesters, these 120 credits are from taught modules and 10 credits of that are from practical chemistry. For the summer project, this is 60 credits on its own, and this is entirely the project, okay? So this is the final part of the degree. Common question would be is how will I be assessed for this course? So obviously the main mechanism would be through examinations, but there'll be an opportunity for students to undertake workshops as they go through the course, which will give them an opportunity to accrue credit before they go into an examination situation. The practical modules will obviously be assessed by practical laboratory write-up. And as we discussed before, the final semester is a research project. So this is assessment to a dissertation submission, and then students then defend their work in a viva voce examination. I've covered quite a variety of topics there to deal with postgraduate study here at Cardiff University in the School of Chemistry. So the 4 courses we have on offer at the moment are advanced chemistry, catalysis, biological chemistry, and also medicinal chemistry. If there's any questions you have, we very much welcome them. So please get in touch via the contact page at the end of this link. Thank you very much for listening, and I do hope to see you at Cardiff studying soon. Thank you.